everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNICE for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video today. This wig is stunning. These curls are everything. I love them. If you guys want to see me install this wig and see how I got this style, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Make sure you guys go follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. And let's get into this wig install. All right, you guys, we're working with UNICE. All right, so you get a little package with some goodies in it. You got some press-on nails, a melting wrap, and some wig caps. Then your wig will come in the plastic. This one is a 33B 24-inch. I think this is Kinky Curly. I'll have all the information in the description box below, but I believe this is a 7x5 closure. Here is a close-up on the lace. It is pre-plucked and the lace is already cut for us. I'm not sure if the knots are dyed, but the knots look really, really tiny. I love that. So this is coming off to a very, very good start. Inside the wig, look at all that parting space. That's crazy. It's 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. There is a adjustable elastic band. We have 2 combs on the side, another comb in the back bottom. Yes, it looks really, really spacious in here. This should be really, really easy to install. Should be super quick. I'm very excited about this. So here are the curls. The curls are curling, you guys. So super defined. But you know I'm gonna comb these out, put some conditioner in it and all that good stuff. The wig smells like wig. It smells like wig hair. It doesn't stink though. I love this deep brown color though. What? This deep brown color is everything. I like this. I like this. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this install. All right, you guys, I'm all done. Look how pretty these curls turned out. So stinking gorgeous. The lace is melted seamlessly. So let me tell you guys what I did, just in case you didn't see that overview that I just showed you guys. All I did was wet my hair, detangle it, put some conditioner in it. I just cut a little bit here just to frame my face a little bit. I did do some finger coils on the ends, but not too many, not like in small pieces and pretty like big pieces. And then I stretched it out after I was done diffusing it, and this is how it came out. It looks so cute. I love it. I love it. The wig turned out. The hair is beautiful. The curls are curling, baby. The curls are curling. I freaking love them. Oh my gosh, look. They're so stinking cute. So stinking cute. So I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out, as well as a discount code. I want to thank UNICE Hair again for sponsoring this video and sending me over this wig. I love it. It's gorgeous. Look at how these curls are just bent. What? So freaking cute. Thank you again, everybody, for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.